Welcome to 2907 Tacola Trail. This is the Belmont model from Mckenzie Homes, a premier home builder here in London, Ontario. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an amazing 2,500 square feet of space. This home is a designer's dream. Without further ado, let's get into the tour. The 2907 Tacola Trail is located on the northwestern part of London, Ontario. It's just minutes away from Masonville Mall, super centers, and amazing nature. So this foyer opens up into the dining area with a 6-person dining table, and then also opens up into a larger living area for the living room. Sitting here, spending time with the family, I can imagine myself opening up presents on Christmas morning with the kids, just hanging out, having discussions. I can definitely see myself living in this space. So coming into the kitchen area, this is my favorite part of the house. We have quartz backsplash over here. We have some nice appliances built in, and then we have this amazing waterfall countertop. This is a place we can have friends and family around. This kitchen is perfect for entertaining. All right, so this is the second floor landing area. I love the way the light comes in from this room, makes it really bright. It's nice and cozy. You can have a personal touch to this place. You can have a bookshelf, you can have some plants, you can even have a workspace here, and it leads nicely into the laundry. Let me show you. So we have a nice laundry room over here with some nice appliances. There's also some storage up here. And then we walk into the master bedroom. All right, so come with me. This is the master bedroom with a standing shower, pedestal tub, amazing walk-in closet. And there you have it. This is the Belmont model by Mckenzie Homes. If you want more information, if you want to see this house, you can call me. My details are here. And you can email me if you're interested, and I would love to take you on a tour of this beautiful house. Until next time, see ya.